Alright, now so we now know how to control the appearance with CSS of the output from display posts. The problem with that is that it would apply across your website. So if you had on one page, for example, a list of just post titles from a particular category, and on another page you wanted to display posts with excerpts, or on another page full posts with their content, then this styling would apply to all of those, and you might not want that. So we need a way of targeting specific lists. So we do that with a wrapper class. Okay, so let's just start from the beginning. Here's a basic shortcode, and that will look like this. Alright, so that's basically the default, and that styling is determined by my theme settings. And that looks okay. We might not want these bullet points here, but that's pretty minor. We could probably fix that pretty easily. But if we add the content or the excerpt, then we probably don't want these spaced as closely together. We probably want to space them out a little bit, and we might want to style them in a slightly more sophisticated way. Okay, so how we do that? Firstly, we need to be able to target lists separately, and we use a wrapper class for that. It's a wrapper class. So okay, and when we use a wrapper class, we change this default class for the ordered unordered list from this, which is the default straight out of the box. The shortcode will create that, and we can target the lists with that. If we add a wrapper class, we can create our own sort of reference for this list, and this reference could be different for different lists. Okay, so we change our CSS to something like this instead of something like this, and then in the shortcode we add a wrapper class here to match what we've done in the CSS there. So the full shortcode now is here: display posts, no content, category mindful writing. The wrapper is UL. The wrapper class is display posts with padding. Okay, so so here are two examples, and this is without the wrapper class, and this is with the wrapper class. And as you can see, the styling is different. It's applied all of this styling up here, but only to this listing which has this extra wrapper class in it. Okay, so that gives us a bit more control, and that maybe doesn't make much sense with just the titles, but if we were working with the excerpts, it makes a bit more sense. Okay, you might not be into borders as I've defined them here, but the point is you can make it look however you like, and then also with content. So now the items are more spaced, and they look a bit better than they did at the very beginning, all jumbled in together like that. Okay, so that is specific CSS, controlling the appearance of specific lists using wrappers. Here, the wrapper class. Okay,